Who is this? Go back.
My friend, take this rubbish out of my way. What's the meaning of this? Huh?
Do you know who you are talking to?
You are just a dust that will be eaten by termites. Who the hell are you?
What did I just hear you say?
I believe you're not dumb. You heard me clearly. Take this rubbish out of my sight, now.
Looking at you, I see that Nza. The Nza who has overfed himself and now had the guts to challenge his chi to a fight. I am not going to repeat myself. Get into this thing. Go back.
I've met people like you. I understand how stubborn old men like you can be. But you just met your match. I see you don't have anywhere important to be. I also don't have anywhere important to be, so we might as well stay here.
I can see.
Take this cattle out of my sight or I'll set it ablaze. What is this?
I can see you are indeed a troublemaker. You came here for trouble. And I am going to give you an overdose of it. So that next time you are not going to try I can actually see you came prepared.
I am not a cultured vulture.
Stop.
Ugezu. So you have been the one sitting inside that car? Not now.
Daddy, this is my man. We are actually on our way to see you.
No way. If you know what is good for you, get into this car this minute. Because there is nothing you will ever have with this boy.
I am not a boy.
Daddy, he's a nice guy.
Get into this car. That is what I said.
What are you doing here?
Nothing. I want to go and check the bar.
Have you put the fruit juice inside the fridge?
Yes, ma.
Somehow. Huh? The fact that this is a new car, that the engine has never been tampered. So this overheating is what I don't really understand.
This is a bad sign.
I am the one doing this. I don't want my son to marry Kenga's daughter. I've given him several signs, and he refused to listen.
Anytime you are going to bring a woman and a mishap like this happens, it shows that there's a misfortune knocking somewhere against you.
Leave this thing. There's no need. Cars can overheat. It's normal. I'm just surprised that it's a new car and it's happening. Please, that your belief.
So why would it be happening today? Today of all days that they are supposed to meet with your prospective in-laws.
Uncle, leave this thing now. Leave this thing. I've told you. The normal thing. That's not. Just enter the car first. Let me pour more water.
Even if it's a trailer, the overheating would have stopped by now.
I could just enter the car, please.
As you enter car.
This way. Still water.
I'm sweating, oh. Huh? I'm sweating. cannot stay in there anymore. I can't stay there. The heat is too much. Ah!
Uncle, just hold on. Please, just stand there. Wait first.
Ugezu, you have another car. Huh? Call one of your boys to bring another car here. Let's see if there will be another overheating.
I told you to enter the car. You didn't hear.
What is he doing? He's not working. Huh?
I thought you were an elder. You should know all these things. Ha! This one is what is he doing? How can I be teaching you these things? And you're wearing red cap as an elder. Just enter the car.
They are not here yet?
No, Daddy. He's on his way. He said he's coming from his hometown.
I see. I see.
Uncle!
Okay, you are here.
Welcome.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Please be seated.
Ego. Hey, see beauty. See, you are looking dazzling.
Thank you, Uncle.
Come on. Come. That man, the young man in question, must be the man of your dream.
Uncle, trust me, when you see him, you will like him.
Really?
Yeah, that's good. We are waiting.
Wait, Kenga, our in-laws, they are not yet here.
Well, my daughter is just informing me that he is on his way because according to her, the young man is coming all the way from his village.
Okay.
Yeah.
Odimgbe. It's all right then.
Uncle, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Tell me, what will you drink? What will you drink?
Are you supposed to be asking him? You know his brand already.
Of course I do.
Okay.
Uncle, I'm coming, I'll bring it.
Ikenga,
Yeah.
you are blessed.
My brother, I don't know why you are saying that anyway, but I agree with you that I am blessed. And you are blessed equally.
Hey, thank you very much. Is it easy? Very soon now you are going to be a grandfather.
I become a grandfather, you become a grand uncle.
Can you see that? Can you see that? I'm just happy for you. I'm happy for Ego. I'm happy for everyone.
Thank you.
This is what we are expecting.
That is what we have been praying for. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's it. So how is life with you?
Well, it's fine. It's fine. I'm okay. I'm good.
If the people that are tributing Campari, if they fail to give you an award for the number of years you have remained consistent drinking that brand, I think they are jokers.
Then what about you that like taking rum? I don't even know where to import rum for you again now.
When I take rum, I take different brands of rum. You are sticking to just a brand. That's the issue.
According to levels.
Baby, what's going on? My dad is already getting worried and I'm feeling frantic. What's happening? Hello? Hello?
Honestly, this whole thing is beginning to get me very angry. What kind of man will keep his in-laws waiting at the very first meeting? It goes a long way to show the kind of man he is.
You're right. Ikenga. But still, calm down. Please, Biko. But if he's coming from his hometown, the journey will be a little longer.
If he will open his mouth himself and give this as an excuse, it is going to be categorized as a lame excuse. Why did he not prepare before now? Why?
He will come, okay? He will come. Everything will go well. Very, very well. Patience, Ikenga. Patience is just what we need.
Daddy!
Aha.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Please sit. My love, please. That uncle, you can sit.
Who is your father here?
Baby, this is my father.
This man here is your father.
Yes, babe, please come. Are you okay? What's the problem? Is everything fine?
Uncle, let's get out of here.
What do you mean?
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of just move.
My love. My love.
Your love is good.
In-law.
Dad. What is happening?
Is he not the one we've been waiting for?
The one she is waiting for.
Dad.
What just happened?
I do not understand.
Do you know that young man from anywhere?
Honestly, my brother, I have never met him before. I am actually asking myself, who is he? Who is the father for him to be looking at me in that manner? What was that?
What kind of attitude is that?
Dad, please, what is going on?
Is this supposed to be a kind of joke or what? You did not ask your irresponsible suitor what is going on. You came back here to ask me. Were you not there to see the way he was looking at me? Who is he to refer to me as this man? Moabi Kenga, this man?
Dad, I'm just going to ask you anyway. Do you know him?
I do not know irresponsible people. You yourself know how I hate irresponsible people. As far as I'm concerned, he's a lunatic. Oh yes, a lunatic.
Ego, the manner that man shows proves that he's highly irresponsible.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my brother. Absolutely irresponsible.
Can you imagine? Even if he knows the father of the person he wants to marry, must he, courtesy demand, must he refer to him as this man?
Just imagine.
Can you so demeaning?
Just imagine that.
Uncle, I do not know what is going on. But what I know is I love Obi. And I will not watch him slip away. Dad, please.
My daughter, you should know it yourself that your happiness is of paramount importance to me. Because you are telling me that you love that young man, I am willing to give him a chance. But he has to come back here and apologize to me.
Yes.
Else,
Yes.
I am going to teach him a lesson that he will never forget.
You love him. Convince him. Let him come and apologize. That's all. You can Gabi?
See the way she's looking at me as if I'm not making sense. Listen, my daughter, what I am saying is rooted in tradition. Tradition is supreme to love, supreme to emotion, supreme to feelings. He has to come here and apologize. That is the tradition, and it is final.
How is it?
What just happened there? I'm asking you, did you bring me out today for a dance of shame? Obiajolo,
Uncle, please, can you let me drive? Let me drive now.
when did you learn to be so disrespectful?
And where are you going?
Dad, I'm going to see Obi.
You are not going to see him. What you need to do is to call him and ask him to come and apologize to me.
But Dad, I need to go find out what is going on.
You are not going anywhere. Go back to the house. Move back inside.
Dad!
As in right now.
Obiajolo, now that you are not driving, can we talk about what happened there?
Uncle, please, I don't want to put you in this, okay? I don't want to get you angry. Just whatever happened there, just let it go. Act like it never happened.
I'm already upset. Yes, I want to add everything together and see if I can explode. In short, let me explode. Why did you walk out in such manner?
I said, just let this thing go. I don't want to get you upset. Besides, you said something when we were going. You were the one that said this journey is not smooth, which means one thing, that is misfortune. So why are you now worried? I just told you to let go, whatever happened there. Let go. I don't want to get you involved.
Let me know. For tomorrow's sake.
What do you mean tomorrow's sake? Just let it go, please. Let it go. Don't add to my anger now, please.
So what do I tell people at home?
It's up to you now. You can tell them anything. You've always had something to say. Tell them anything you wish.
So I'll just go home like this?
Just give me what to tell them. You don't know anything. Father.
Son, you are welcome.
Father, you're dead.
No. full-blooded Igbo man does not die. Rather, he joins his ancestors, as in this show, and form a force, an energy that will last for a lifetime.
Ogini! Ogini! What happened?
So,
You saw what exactly? Did you see a thief? I don't even understand you. Please give me money. Let me go. Give me money. Let me go. You have been acting strange since. I do not understand you anymore. Just give me money. Let me go.
You don't need to go. It's already late. You can stay and leave tomorrow.
Mbano. I must return to the village today. Please give me money. Let me go. Let me go. Give me money. Thank you.
Or you can just stay and leave.
I must go because I don't understand you anymore.
Jesus!
It is time to take vengeance.
What is happening? Am I hallucinating or what?
He will call you and tell you to come and beg him. Bending down on your knees. Do not obey him. Rather, do something that will provoke him. Something that will make him look less important.
I already did that. Walking out on him is a big vengeance.
Then open your eyes, open your mind, and you see what to do.
Let me sit down.
I've given you money already.
I know, but there is something else that we need to talk about.
What are you doing here? A man insulted your father. I mean, a man who came on your invitation insulted your father, and all you could do is to come here this night, sit down and cry. The Ada of a great man would have confronted the one who will insult the father to make sure that that person apologizes to the father. That is what an Ada of a great man is supposed to be doing. Why are you parading yourself as an Ada of a great man and you are not doing that? Instead, you are here crying.
Dad, what you should be thinking about is why he actually left. Why? Why did he just leave like that?
You yourself should be bothered about what I am going to do to him soon. In the meantime, just go into the study and prepare the documents that will be going to the Senate President tomorrow. And then put a call across to that lunatic and ask him to prepare himself to come and apologize to me for the insult he poured on me. If he fails to do that, even you who believe you know him will not know him by the time I am done doing what I want to do to him. Ego is the proposal I asked you to write. Ready? Listen to me, Ego. That young man should not be a reason for you to be behaving this way. I have already analyzed him. He is that kind of young man who will use his wife as punching bag. You do not need a man like that. I know exactly how to handle him starting from tomorrow. I need you to cheer up. If you have not written the proposal, please get up and get it ready. Please.
Oga, someone is at the gates. She says she's your girlfriend.
My girlfriend?
Yes, sir.
Let her in.
How could you do this to me?
What are you doing here?
How could you just humiliate me in that manner in front of my family?
You're not supposed to be here. Go home and ask your father.
No. I won't leave this place until you tell me what the entire drama in my father's house was all about.
Like I said, go home and ask your wicked father.
It's obvious you have something against my father. How dare you? You want to walk out on me when I'm saying something very important?
I see you want to strangle me. You want to kill me same way your father killed my father.
What? My father killed your father? How?
Go home and ask your wicked father.
I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Please, I wish there was something I could do, but I'm sorry. Why? happened?
My father was a good man.
How did he die?
Dike, this property is mine. Stay very far away from this property if you want to leave. I am not going to warn you again. Stay away. It's good again you are here. Warn your father. Warn him!
Dad, what happened?
I bought this land and paid in full. All the traditional rituals done. As you can see, these are the documents. I fenced this land. Ikenga was nowhere to be found. Now, Ikenga just wants to drag this land with me.
Dad, but you can't take him to court now.
No. His men are in control of everything in this country.
Men?
Yes.
Which men?
They are called the Congress.
Congress? Wait, you mean a secret court?
Yes.
Dad, so how do we fight him?
We are not going to fight him.
So what do we do?
We will make peace with him. Take me home first.
Okay.
Ikenga, I've come to make peace with you.
So finally, you have come to agree that this land is mine, right?
The land belongs to me. And not yours.
So why am I here? To listen to your rubbish?
I come to make peace with you.
Go ahead. Let me understand the terms of your peace. If you are still claiming that the land, which is mine, is yours, what kind of peace have you come to make with me? You see what I mean? A fool like you took over my land and now you brought me here to be wasting my time? Why am I here?
Ikenga, what do I do to make you happy?
Very simple. Go down on your knees and apologize.
What?
For developing the guts to indicate interest in my land in the first place. Go down and just kneel down and apologize, and I will forget about everything.
But that's so harsh.
Are you not ready?
Okay. If that will make you to leave my land, I'm okay.
You have done well. Good boy.
Dad, sorry. Sorry. You know what? Let me go inside and get you some water so you can take your medications. Alright?
Ikenga. Ikenga. You will not go free. Ikenga, you will not go unpunished. Because if you do, you will do more.
Dad, here is the water. Come and take your medication. Dad. Dad! Daddy! Dad! Dad! No! That is not a plan. So now, Dad, please, do not leave me, please. Ikenga, you killed my father!
Before my father got buried, he already built on the land. What a wicked father you have.
I'm sorry. Sincerely. I wish there's something I can do to undo the past. I'm sorry.
The deed has been done.
Will you leave me?
If you were in my shoes, what would you have done?
Honestly, I'll find it very hard to forgive. But I will eventually.
I am going to teach you a lesson. And you are going to discover rudely that there is something that is faster than electricity. You may have forgotten who your father is. And that is why you will sneak out of my house to go and sleep in a man's house. Sleep. Sleep until I perfect what I want to perfect and cage the one I want to cage.
Breakfast is ready, sir.
Go and tell your guy that I'm ready to go back to the village.
Yes, sir.
Uncle, I don't know what is wrong with Ego.
Ego?
Yes.
Ego?
Yes.
Is she not the one we went to her father's house yesterday?
Yes, oh. She's not breathing. She's not even moving.
Is she not the one that you walked out on?
She's the one, Uncle. Leave all these questions. What do we do?
Is she dead?
I can't tell. She's not moving. She's not breathing. She's not talking.
She's dead. Just call your boy. Let us take her to the mortuary.
How can she be dead? Eh? This thing is strange.
How did she come in here?
She came to visit me yesterday. She didn't even eat anything.
What do we do? Should we go and talk to the father?
Talk to the father? Ha! After what happened yesterday, he will never forgive me. Oh.
We must talk to him. Let us go and tell him everything. What
Tell
has
him
happened?
what? It's not that easy now, Uncle.
Go tell him everything. What has happened has happened. Let us
It's
go.
not that easy.
Let us go. We'll talk to the father.
Let us go and do what?
Let us go. What?
Hi, God, I'm finished. No.
No, I have it.
No, it's the same thing.
Yes, who is there? Oh, you finally you came to apologize as instructed. Good move.
Good afternoon, sir.
It's actually morning.
Oh, good morning. Good morning.
It's all right. Can we just go inside, sit down like men and talk? I mean, talk like men. Let's go.
Oh no, there will not be need for that.
Just tell him what happened. Sir, your daughter visited him last night. But this morning, she couldn't wake up.
You did not tell me you have a father who is also a clown.
Point of correction, I'm not a clown. I'm his uncle.
If you are not a clown, you will not be saying what you just said. My daughter is so spiritually covered to die just like that. I am insisting. Come inside with me. Let us sit down and talk like men. Come in right now. Come in.
Look, I'm not going inside. I think it's better now that we've given him an idea of what is going on. Let's go. Or you can just discuss with him. Let me go.
How is this not possible? You can't just chicken out now.
Let me just go and look for what.
Let us go.
I said we should come inside. I don't know what you're still doing here. Come inside. Let us sit down like men and talk. Come with me. Come.
Go. Look, I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Move.
I'm innocent. Oh, I'm innocent.
So how many girls have you killed before for this kind of ritual?
What kind of question is this? I'm not a ritualist. I don't know what happened. She didn't even eat anything in my house.
I hope you know you're in trouble.
Look, I woke up and I saw her like that. I'm innocent.
You are doomed.
What kind of doom? Doom for what? Look, officer, I will advise you. You are awake. Look, just come and go back to your father's house, please. I need to take you back to your father's house now.
I
I do not want to go back to
It's
my
not
house.
about you do not want to. Leave English. Let me take you back to your father's house. You nearly put me in trouble. These people are here to arrest me. Oh. Officer, she's awake. Let's take her back to her father's house.
Stop.
Please. I think I'm joking.
You're hurting me.
Let's go. Leave hurting
don't
first.
Do this. Can you stop?
Please, let's go. Let's go. Nothing. I'm not doing anything. Stay here.
Oh, you're hurt.
Stay here.
I don't want to go.
I'm taking you there. Please, you push you leave my house now. Leave my house before. Are you deaf? Are you people deaf? I said leave my house. Leave my house before I arrest you. Are you people mad? I hope you can see her. I brought back your daughter in one piece. Wicked man. Bitch. There's no one will ever say.
Try this next time. Try next time.
Try what next time?
Sis!
Oh my word, Ugezu.
Hi, sis.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
So, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine. How was the trip?
It was fine. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, just work. I'm good.
Work. That is making you look this worried. Okay, why not get an assistant?
I've heard you. I'll try. Tell me, what's been happening with you?
Plenty. Let me drop this bag. I have plenty gist for you.
I can't wait to hear that.
I've missed you.
I miss you more, darling. You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm coming. Plenty gist.
Sure.
Good enough, Yoli. Yeah. Oh, you mucha guanoza. Kill your photo, I be you one collect. Makandi wa boda batali. If you back, look on the melody. Mende. And I'm a control. Onye maka, of Naya. If you back, look on the melody. Yeah. Good
morning.
How may I help you?
We spoke on the phone earlier today about the contract and the design. So
how may I help you, Mr. Man?
That's what I'm saying. The contract that we spoke about, I brought it. So we have different. Actually, the designs that I have here, it's something that you will not joke with.
I beg, back one side. I don't know you. I don't even know what you're talking about. I mean, please.
Oh, bro, it looks like your work has made you angry.
Chief Ikenga.
How are you doing today?
I'm great. And you?
I am good.
How's the family?
We are doing great. Very great.
So what kept you? We've been waiting for you for so long.
I have been very busy.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, what about the design?
Well, I am not here with the design, but I am here.
Oh, okay. So then, you have the contract.
More like it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That's very nice.
Thank you.
We'll do something better.
This is a multi-billion naira contract, and we have a way to celebrate.
You can say that again. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Power day, makisi kotebu, noga body raba. Yeah, if on your talk of, maka no jadi atafu kutuza. Ikiti men we passiment. Ndisi abobu, bana nukive. Oye mucha kwanuza. Kilia for road, I be you one collect. Makandi wa boda batali. If I could can melody. Mende. Anamaka kanjwali onye maka ofunanya ibe bagulu gane melody yeah onye mota
Obiajulu,
Father,
in this life, be a man.
Sorry.
Obiajulu, be a man. And for you to be a man, there are characters you must possess. And also there are characters you must not possess. For instance, Obiajulu,
Father,
don't be cold. Obiajulu, do not be kind. Don't be.
Sorry.
Don't be as gentle as I am. If anything comes, fight it like a man. Let the entire world see you as a wicked person.
Father, nothing will happen to you. Everything's gonna be fine. The doctor said you just need some rest and take your medications. And you'll be good.
Don't be cold. Obiajulu, do not be like
Sorry.
Like me.
Sorry. Just relax.
Now I understand. A man must not be cold. I am ready to be a man now. What's up?
Why were you sounding like that on the phone?
Ikenga has sworn to make my life miserable in this town. Anywhere I put my hand, he will go there to destroy it. The contract that I've been seeking for a very long time, Ikenga hijacked it. Because why? Because he thinks that I'm a weakling. He thinks that I will not do anything to him. All because I chose to. I am ready. I am ready to do what it takes to put an end to all this bullshit.
If you made up your mind, I will speak to my uncle. They are the strongest. Nobody, I repeat, nobody will harass you. Nobody will defeat you. Just calm down.
Can we go see him now?
I said, I will speak to him first. I will speak to him first. Just calm down.
So, what does this young man want from us? Wealth?
No, uncle. He has money in abundance.
So, what does he want?
Uncle.
Yes?
He wants protection.
Protection? That he shall get. Worry no more. What you do for me is to get me a picture of this young man.
Okay.
That settles it.
First thing tomorrow morning, I will bring his picture to you.
No problem.
Yes, uncle.
I will take care of that.
Thank you very much.
So how is everything?
Oh, fine. It was good.
Okay, that's good.
That is my boy.
He is ready to dine in the table of men.
What does he want?
He wants our protection, Great One.
Great One. Honestly, I have an objection.
Nobody suggests anybody's fate here.
Chief Ikenga. This young man is tested and trusted.
Tested and trusted by who? Tested and trusted is a term that is already overused. When they say somebody is tested and trusted, we want to know who tested and who is trusting him.
Ikenga! Don't make me lose it.
Great One, I am sorry. But I am insisting, in fact, I am appealing, Great One, that we have to scrutinize this young man that Ikuku is trying to smuggle into this circle. He has to be scrutinized.
Ikenga is right. We can't just accept anyone in this Congress without proper vetting.
Supported. Ikuku.
Great One.
Is there any case against him?
Very strong one. Great One. You see this hoodlum. This hoodlum right here came into my family to marry one of my daughters. And then, in that process, he gave me the kind of insult that nobody has ever given me in my entire life. I started to investigate him based on that, only for me to discover that he has done the same thing to 3 other families. Is this the kind of young man you want to bring into the League of Men? No. He's a hoodlum. And this circle is not for hoodlums.
Then we have to set up a panel to screen him.
Good. That is fine by me, Great One.
Now, let's discuss about the feast.
It's okay. Thank you.
Oh, baby. Guess what?
What?
I am pregnant.
Ah, is that why you're looking this happy? Anyway, congratulations.
Is that what you're supposed to say to me?
What else am I supposed to say? I'm telling you.
Sis. Sis, are you alright? Are you alright?
What do you think I should do?
Do about what?
About
Sis.
I've often wondered why too many bad things happen in life. Why things happen the way they do. Why?
Sis, you have not told me anything. What is it? What is bothering you? Sis. You know you can talk to me. What is it? I don't like this look on you. You can talk to me. What is it?
I'm fine.
You're not fine. You can talk to me. You know that. Sis. You can tell me anything. What is it?
Honestly, great one. I do not understand why you are holding a very strong brief for this young man. Why are you making every effort to smuggle him into this circle? It was agreed here that he has to be screened. And as far as I'm concerned, that screening is still ongoing. Why are you making effort to let him become a member? And moreover, we concluded in this body that the registration fee of 1 billion naira must be paid in full by any intended member.
That's true there.
And from what I know, this young man has not paid in full. He has not even paid. So what is going on?
Ikenga, I don't understand why you always like to speak before me in this Congress.
Great one, I am sorry. But the truth of the matter, that you know yourself, is that we have a tradition in this circle that must be followed. I just want us to do the right thing.
The bank that sponsored our last feast was owned by this young man, so we owe him some respect.
No. So because of the fact that he owned the microfinance bank that sponsored our feast, we now have to destroy the arrangement we have in our circle. We did not beg him to finance. He just came in from nowhere and he said, I want to finance. How much did he even pay that we cannot pay back? We are not handicapped. We can finance our fees.
Chief Ikenga,
Let this young man breathe. Huh? Why are you always attacking this man? I am not preventing him from breathing. Let him continue to breathe in his house. Must he come here to breathe? Must he breathe here? You are like a brother to me, and I will be very honest with you. Ikenga is mean. It is clear that he's angry with you for dumping his daughter. You should do something about it.
I loved his daughter until I found out something.
What did you find out? Is she seeing another woman?
No. Ikenga is responsible for my father's death.
How do you defend that?
It happened before me. You can ask him. I can look him in the face and tell him what he did and how he did it.
Did he shoot him?
No.
With a knife?
No.
Put it behind you then. Those who seek for vengeance seek for death too.
Daddy, you're welcome.
Ugezu, you are here.
Yes, sir. Welcome. How are you?
How are you doing today?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I am good. So where is your sister?
She's in her room.
So what are you doing here?
Well, I wanted to talk to you about something.
Okay. What is it?
Daddy, I wanted to know why you don't want Ego to make peace with her man, considering her condition.
What condition?
Daddy, she's pregnant.
What? Ego is what?
You're not aware?
She's pregnant?
Daddy, calm down.
Where is she?
Daddy, calm down. Shit. Daddy, wait! Daddy, calm down!
Can you get up and start talking? Are you pregnant? Ego, I am talking to you. Are you pregnant?
Dad, please, I'm an adult.
You are an adult? And that explains why you will allow a lunatic to get you pregnant?
Well, Dad, it just happened.
No, don't tell me that. Pregnancy does not just happen. Human beings make it happen. And why will it be the one that will make it happen with a lunatic? Why?
Dad, you're here yelling too much. I'm having a headache. I can take care of my child, Dad.
Shut up. You are very stupid to be saying that to my face. Now listen to me. I need you. Tell that lunatic who got you pregnant that he has beaten more than he can chew based on what he has just done. I am going to grind him to a halt in a way he may never be able to forget.
Why did he jam the door so loudly? Oh my God, my head.
Mende. Anamaka kanjoli. Onye maka ofunanya. Ibe bakulu gane melody. Yeah. Oye mota kwano zo. Power day. Is it go tape no gaba? Yeah, go. Anama kwanaka. Nwoke tosi echeli ibe ya maka na echi n'ime bọọlụ nwa n'azụ n'ịma ife ọ ga-amụ oli ihe kokokoko obodo edelunu pawade maka isi kote ebu na ọ ga-agbarịrị agba ife onye chọkọf maka na ụjọ adị atọ afọ bute ụzọ ikiti men wee pasi men ndị isi abụ okpu ba na nnukwu ife onye mụcha gba n'ụzọ kilie forodo abịghị ụwa collect maka ndị nwe obodo abatali ibe bagburu ka a na-eme oli mende ana-ama aka ka ndị ọlụ onye ma aka ka ọfụ n'anya ibe bagburu ka a na-eme oli onye mụcha gba n'ụzọ pawade Easy go tape no gaba. Yeah go. And I'm a kwanaka. Yeah. Oye mocha kwano zo. Power day.
Young man, there is no cow standing outside my compound. Do you actually think I am joking?
Sorry, sir. We actually didn't come with any cow.
Okay, I understand it. It is possible you have discussed with your nephew and both of you concluded that instead of coming here with a live cow, which is a necessity, you have decided to replace it with the equivalent in Naira, which is a fat cow that is good enough to be presented to a man of my caliber. It's 4 million Naira.
Okay, leave this thing you're saying. This one is a fat cow. Eh? We are here to pay your daughter's hand in marriage. We are not here to do a New Yam cow festival. Which one is cow?
Why?
There's no cow. There's no money anywhere.
Why do I have this very disturbing feeling that you are completely stupid? You insulted me. You insulted me before my brother, insulted me before my daughter, and insulted me before your uncle. You are claiming you do not know that you have to present a cow?
No, you're the one insulting yourself now. Because I don't understand how I will come to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage. You're telling me to bring fat cow. You're looking for equivalent. So man like equivalent.
Calm down. If you don't mind, there should be a way of solving this.
Which is
There's
this
nothing
way?
you are solving. I am not going to have any discussion with this young man until a live cow is standing in my compound or the equivalence in Naira.
See the live cow here. If you're not taking this drink, you forget it. Look, all these things you're doing, you deep down, you know why I did it. You know why it's done like this. Except you want my uncle to get involved, then I will tell him.
I don't care.
You don't care?
I'm telling you that I don't care. I am not prepared to listen to anything that you want to say until you provide the live cow.
Okay, sir. Please, let's put heads together and find
There's no heads together. Let's get out of here. He wants cow. It's only cow.
What's going on?
Your love is going, you know. Ask your father. Let's go. Let's get out of here. You want cow. His mouth like cow. Pass here.
I thought we talked about this. What is it?
Well, you talked about it your way. Nobody talked about it my own way. You will not have anything to do with that arrogant boy. It's not possible.
Dad. Baby! Baby! Please wait!
Very useless boy. It is possible they may have told you that you can always open your mouth so wide and talk anyhow before a man like me. By the time I am done with you, foolish boy. And this boy is not supposed to live with this drink he brought here. He is supposed to leave it here because I have already seen it. But he is so stupid. He does not even know what to do. If the young man is interested in marrying my daughter, then he must have to do something that is very important, which is he has to come to my house to apologize to me with a live cow.
Chief Ikenga, you are belittling this young man. Do you know his net worth?
I don't care. I don't care what his network might be. I don't care who he might be. I don't just care anything about him. If he is interested in becoming husband to my daughter, he must have to come to my house with a live cow to apologize. It's as simple as that.
Okay, I will tell him.
Good.
I will let him know.
Good.
Even if you cannot let me through because of my father, how about our unborn child? Does the child deserve to go through all of this with me?
I cannot go on my knees to apologize to the man who killed my father. Talk more of giving him a cow.
Then please, at least do it for my sake.
Oh, come on. I'm selfish like your father.
Do you have to say this to me?
Like I said, I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I will not do it.
Then it's fine. It's obvious you do not love me enough. I'll just go. and bear my cross all by myself. And when the burden is too heavy for me to carry, perhaps I'll just take my own life.
Chief Ikenga, there is a cow at your garden now. Shall we proceed?
What's that your name again?
Ikuku Nefego.
Ikuku Nefego. That he has to provide a cow is only the first lap in the apology process. He has fulfilled that. The second lap of the process now is that he has to go down on his knees and apologize to me.
I'll condemn me kneel down and apologize to you. I will not apologize to any beggar. And you see that my cow? I must live with that cow.
You see, the other time you came here with one bottle of drink that you already presented before me, you left with that drink, which is an aberration. Nobody has the right to live with what an Onyenze has already said. Same thing with that cow. The cow that is already anchored in my garden goes nowhere.
Oga, you see that cow? I must live with it. The only thing I will leave in your garden is the cow shit. And if you make me angry, I will pack the shit and go. Because even that shit is a manure to your garden. Don't get me angry. This man, this man,
it hasn't come to this. Okay. You cannot ask him to kneel down.
As what now?
It's not possible.
As your boy, I should kneel down and apologize. If I can't call lazy, I will not apologize to anybody.
Chief Ikenga, please, we have dragged this matter enough. Obi here is a man like you. You don't expect him to go down on his knees, try to do what you ask him to do. Remember, he's also a masquerade.
Stop! Why will you say that? Who made him a masquerade? I don't understand. Do you think people just become masquerades by opening their mouths to say, I am a masquerade?
Go and ask about me. Joel say, I'm also a masquerade. Joel say, you can't tell me to kneel down and apologize.
Excuse me.
I don't know Kambo.
Okay, I don't understand. What are you doing?
Excuse me, please. Your permission, please. My daughter, take this. Go and give it to the man you have accepted.
Bam. Bagam.
Joe.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Did your guy come home last night?
He came home, but he left immediately.
He came. And he didn't even bother to wake me up.
That is not good.
Hello, babe? Hello? 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 Babe, you didn't even listen to what I want to say first. Hello?
Madam, you no pick.
How did you get to know that I love to be danced for?
You know I know everything that you love.
You know, what you have here is what they call absolutely lubricated machine.
That's my boo.
When a machine is lubricated, it functions so badly. Machine.
My boo.
Machine. Machine. Beautiful daughter of mine. You are welcome.
Obi's sister? What are you doing here? And with my father?
Your father is my love. My Bobo. And it's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
And I can confirm she is doing an amazing...
Please stop. What is going on here?
Baby, please, can you tell her to leave us alone? We were having a good
Can
time.
you stop calling my father baby? Stop it.
Baby, she said I should stop calling you baby.
Get your ass off my father. Don't you dare call him baby next time. What is this?
Wait for me in there. I am coming for us to conclude what we started. What is it?
Why are you playing the victim? Tell me. Why?
What do you mean by playing the victim?
If you did not kill his father, we wouldn't be here. What is this, father?
I don't know where you are coming from, but I am telling you that I don't know what you are saying. I do not know who his father is.
Really, Dad?
Yes.
You need to give me a little bit of credit. I am your daughter, so stop lying. I know you too well.
Well, if I must have to tell you what you want me to tell you, I will tell you. Had it been I failed to turn him off the time I did, he would have turned me off himself.
Can you listen to yourself talk, Dad? Can you just hear yourself? If he wanted you dead, why then would he go on his knees to ask for peace, Father? Why?
So many things are not exactly what they look. Based on what you know, I do not know what you are talking about.
Well, know this, Dad. You now have a new enemy in your home.
Hold it right there. Because the way you are beginning to sound, it is very clear to me you do not understand what is going on. Everything that is happening is part of a process. A process to teach that fool a lesson that he will never forget. Are you not surprised? How his own sister, who should be living abroad, has ended up in my house and is actually calling me baby. You are not actually thinking about what is going on. It's part of a process. You are supposed to know who your father is. Listen, that young man, I will teach him something, a lesson. But in the meantime, let me not bug you with that. Why are you here with your bag? What are you doing back here?
I'm glad you noticed. Father, it's checkmate, because he asked me to leave his house. You got your wish. I hope you're satisfied.
Well, you are welcome back. Onwa, I need you to start talking to me. Who taught Obi how to use the secret codes? Well, I am aware he knows how to use the secret code because as I speak with you, he knows that his sister who should be living abroad is here in my house. He knows how to use the secret code because he has just sent my daughter out of his life. And nobody knows what he is planning next. And that is why I'm asking you, Onwa, to tell me who taught him how to use that secret code. Oh, I understand it. I understand it. The young man, he wants to die. But I am not going to allow him die. I am going to kill him. And I am going to kill him slowly.
Kill for road, I be you one collect. Makandi wa boda batani. Even back Bulukani melody. Mende. Anamaka control it. Onye maka of Naya. Even back Bulukani melody. Oye mota kwanoza. Power day.
Who is this? Go back.
My friend, take this rubbish out of my way. What's the meaning of this? Huh?
Do you know who you are talking to?
You are just a dust that will be eaten by termites. Who the hell are you?
What did I just hear you say?
I believe you're not dumb. You heard me clearly. Take this rubbish out of my sight now.
Looking at you, I see that Nza. The Nza who has overfed himself and now had the guts to challenge his chi to a fight. I am not going to repeat myself. Get into this thing. Go back.
I've met people like you. I understand how stubborn old men like you can be. But you just met your match. I see you don't have anywhere important to be. I also don't have anywhere important to be, so we might as well stay here.
I can see.
Take this cattle out of my sight or I'll set it ablaze. What is this?
I can see you are indeed a troublemaker. You came here for trouble. And I am going to give you an overdose of it. So that next time you are not going to try. I can actually see you came prepared.
I am not a cultured vulture.
Stop.
Ugezu? So you have been the one sitting inside that car? Not now.
Daddy, this is my man. We are actually on our way to see you.
No way. If you know what is good for you, get into this car this minute. Because there is nothing you will ever have with this boy.
I am not a boy.
Daddy, he's a nice guy.
Get into this car. That is what I said.
My boo boo. Ikenga is my boo boo. I love my boo boo. My boo. Boo boo, welcome. Boo boo, where's your car? Boo boo. You didn't return with your car. What is it, boo boo?
How did he do it?
Boo boo, what is it? You didn't return with your car.
This boy has actually gone ahead of us.
But talk to me. Is everything okay?
Shut up! Shut up! Can't you see I am trying to use my brain? Can't you see it?
Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. I made your favorite nsala and fufu. I pounded it myself. Let me go and bring it for you.
Can you do me a favor?
Anything, boo boo.
Get out! Just get out.
Boo boo, you don't love me again. You don't love me again. Boo boo, what did I do?
Get out.
My boo boo doesn't love me again. Boo boo don't love me again. Boo boo, you don't love me again.
I said get out!
My boo boo, my boo boo. My boo boo doesn't love me again. My boo boo.
Onwa, I practically went home without my car. Even my cap fell off my head. The power from his attack was so strong that my cap on my head fell off. That boy is about to humiliate me, and from what I am seeing, his plan is to eat up my family as roasted plantain.
You shouldn't have insisted on him kneeling down to apologize to you. That shown he needed to be a complete man.
Oh, I need you to tell me, where did he get his powers?
He has joined a new order. Foreign businessmen from China, India, name them. They are false. This is the time you need to make peace.
If a snake fails to act like a snake, chances are that little children will grab it and use it to tie firewood.
Some battles are better not fought. These young boys are mean. This generation is heartless.
Oh, I am not a weakling. You know it yourself that I am a fighter. And when I fight to finish.
You have 24 hours left.
By any means, are you confirming to me you are the one behind this?
If you try this joke again, I will shuffle it down your throat.
What is going on?
I should actually be asking you, what is going on? My car that I parked outside is nowhere to be found.
Who could have taken it?
That boy, of course. How did he get to know I am here? How did he move that car from here?
Make peace with that boy before it is too late.
The great man's ember is about to turn into ashes.
Boo boo, Bubu, tell me sorry. Bubu.
Ulamba, you are pushing me to the wall with your attitude. If you force me to get up from this place, I am going to deal with you ruthlessly.
Bubu, deal with me. Bubu, it's better to deal with me than to ignore me. Please. Bubu!
Get out of my sight! Get out!
Bubu, you're shouting at me. Bubu, you're hurting me.
I must make a move. Make a move not only to Ijebu Ode, I must equally go to Ijebu Igbo. And then I must go to Mambala. If I fail to do something, this boy is going to cripple me.
I am leaving this house.
Good morning, boss.
What is it?
The second building at the construction site just collapsed. The one at painting level.
What did you just say?
As I speak to you, 3 of our workers died at the spot and 5 has been rushed to the hospital. The problem is government have sealed the place.
By any means, are you the one behind this?
24 hours.
This has to stop.
Boss, what do we do?
Ikuku a na-afụ anya. Ọ gịnwa bụ mmili ọma na Ọkịja. Of course, the king will pay for it. And I wear mother.
Babe, I'm ready.
Kuku, let me call you back. Just 1 minute. What did you just call me?
I called you, baby.
Never you in your life call me that again. I am not your father that you call baby.
Sorry. Sorry.
Would you?
Oh, hi, sis.
What the hell is going on here?
I'd like you to meet my man.
Your man? Are you blind or you're just plain stupid? This is my fiancé.
Are you mad? This is my man, my fiancé. Oh God, I've always known you've been jealous of me, but come on, sis.
Obi, what's the meaning of this? Haven't you gotten enough revenge?
I haven't even started.
Honey, let's go. Just leave this lying, jealous girl.
Who did you just call a lying, jealous girl?
You.
Me?
Yes, you're just acting like a fool now.
I'm mad.
Do I look like? Are you stupid? How dare you?
How dare you? You're jealous of me.
Are you both mad? Or should I understand this to mean you do not know who your father is? How can you go discussing me in public? How dare you?
Dad, she snatched my man.
Oh, please, he's not your man. He is my man, not yours.
Dad, did you hear that? Did you hear what she just said?
See, stop acting like a fool.
What?
You heard me.
Dad, please tell her not to try that with me next time. If you ever dare call me that, you won't like what I will do to you.
What would you do?
What would I do?
You are a big fool.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you crazy? What is wrong with you?
Boss, there is problem. I don't really understand what is happening today. Our showroom is on fire.
Showroom is on fire and you are here. Why did you not call the fire service?
Boss, I have done that for the past 5 hours, but they refuse to come. The place is really seriously burning down.
So then get young men, let them put water there, get something, and do
We
what
have tried.
Dad.
Boss.
Dad. Dad, what is going on?
Boss.
Dad, go and get.
Boss.
Go and that plan.
What?
This is not my phone. Go and open your phone and call the doctor. Dad, please, go and open your phone and call the doctor. Dad, please, Dad, please, wake up, we'll sort this out, please, Dad.
Ogidi na violi. Yeah. Oye mucha kwanuza. Kill for road, I be you one collect. Makandi wa boda batali. If back you can melody. Mende. Anamaka kanjoli. Onye maka ofunanya. If back you can melody. Yeah. Oye mota kwanuza. Power day. Easy go table no gaba. Yeah go. Anama kwanaka. Woke to see jelly beya. Makanechi di me kwalo mwanazo. Ni my voga moli. Yeah, go. Over there, no. Power day. Makisi go table, no ga body raba. Yeah. If on your talk off, maka no jadi ata for butu.
Brother.
I can't explain what happened.
The good thing is that we've won. And Dad will be very, very proud of us, wherever he is. We've conquered. That is what matters. You know, it was a hard nut to crack, but of course, he gave birth to a lion. It's fine, go keep your bag, okay? What?
What did you just say? I'm asking you! Did you say the customs seized my containers? Did I tell you to move the containers at daytime? I'm asking you, did I tell you to move the containers at daytime? So why did you do it? When you know it's contraband, why did you move it at daytime? How many containers did they seize?
25.
25!
Oh my God, I'm finished.
25 containers!
Boss, I was about to call you to come and move the containers because of demurrage.
Did I tell you that I cannot pay for demurrage?
Boss, you will not...
Did I tell you I cannot pay for demurrage?
Boss, you will not understand. They said you don't... Come.
I don't do what? So what do you want me to do now? What do you want me to do?
My sister knows the top officer there. She was her classmate in Madonna University. And we can go there tomorrow.
You're very mad. Your generation, all of you are mad.
Go where tomorrow? You want us to set my goods ablaze before we get there tomorrow? Are you mad? If you know anyone there, let's start going there now.
Sir, she has already called her and she said we should come tomorrow. Yes, please. Let's go tomorrow. Just calm down. Please.
You are mad!
Good day, ma'am.
Sule, how are you?
I'm fine. You asked me to come today.
Oh, that's true. I lost my father yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry for your loss. So sorry.
It's okay, you can go. You can come back next week, Friday.
Okay, I'll keep in touch. Bye.
Would you not now?
Sis, I'm sorry.
I said not now.
Sis, please. I'm sorry. Please. Sis, please.
Hello, boss. Yes. She said they have burial this week. Yes, we'll go next week Friday and see her. Chairman, don't worry. Don't panic. As long as she's concerned, I know her very, very well. And I know how connected her family is. Don't worry. Yes. Yes. All right, boss. All right. Boss, she's here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sule.
What can I do for you? What's the problem?
It's my boss. Your voice sees this container at the bridgehead.
Oh. Wait for me, I'll be right back.
Thank God she's not busy today.
Is she the one?
Yes, she's the one. Ma, we're waiting for you.
Are you?
Yes, you asked us to wait for you.
Did I?
Yes.
Why?
It's my boss here. Your boy stopped his goods at the bridgehead. That's why we're here.
They were contraband, weren't they?
Yes, that's why we're here. We're ready to pay any amount.
You're ready to pay me any amount, so you can continue to flood the streets with fake products, thereby killing people, innocent people.
Babe, please. I spent a lot on that goods.
Well, I am sorry, mister. I cannot help you. Very soon, the goods will be sent to the place where they will be set ablaze.
Please, you can't do this to me, baby. Please. That is all I have. Please remember the past.
The past?
Oye mucha guanuza, kilia for road, I be you one collect. Makandi wa boda batali, ibe bakulukane melody. Mende, anamaka kanjoli. Onye maka ofunanya, ibe bakulukane melody. Yeah. Oye mucha guanuza, power day. Easy go table no gaba. Yeah, go. Anama kwanaka. Moke to se cheli beya. Makanechi di me bolu mwanazo. Ni my foga moli. Yeah, go. Over there, no. Power day. Makisi kotebu, no ga body raba. Yeah, if onye talk of,